An Italian designer has come up with a radical concept that aims to take superyachts to new heights, if someone is bold enough to build it for one of the world's tycoons. With a towering perch that contains the master suite, the 492 feet Shaddai would bring the owner and his or her guests from sea to sky, where they would enjoy jaw-dropping views of their surroundings. The elevated cabin has a 1,130 square foot terrace, and is 125 feet above the water, giving the owner an extreme sense of power, with views like never before on a superyacht. Designer Gabriel Terrazzi, who tried to think outside the box with his latest concept, said the owner's cabin, complete with an infinity pool, dining area and bar, would be the perfect place to watch a sunset. Terrazzi said, from there he can reach the feeling of a higher power, surrounded by the immensity of the sea and sky, reaching the clouds, where everything reflects his place in the world, at the top. Furthermore, the infinity pool produces a visual effect of water with no boundary, merging with the sky. Terrazzi envisions a yacht with the finest luxuries, including materials and textiles from top Italian fashion houses. Closer to sea level, the main aft deck and a beach club on the lower deck are united by an infinity pool with a glass floor. The 3,000 square foot beach club features an aquarium in the middle of the room, and the main aft deck is filled with the sound of water falling from an infinity pool on the upper deck. The yacht's name, Shaddai, is a Hebrew word which is usually translated as Almighty or Omnipotent in English. Terrazzi said, the superyacht's futuristic shape was inspired by contemporary architecture, adding, to ascend from the ground has been a desire in the humankind since the very beginnings. There are precious examples like the Tower of Babel, the pyramids in Egypt, and today in the magnificent skyscrapers. The wish to touch the clouds continues to be present in the most powerful minds.